I said I'm in the evil forest. Just joking. I'm not in the evil forest, but some people will call it evil forest because it's just bush, 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 bush everywhere. Do you know why I'm here? I'll show you why I'm here. I'm gonna show you, see why I'm here. Are you seeing? See plantain. I cannot even carry it. I cannot see. They're still harvesting it, like they're still cutting them down. Let me show you. It's a lot. This soil is very, very fertile. I'm going to show you cocoa. This place is so fertile. Plantain, cocoyam, cocoa. But I'll show you cocoa. Don't bother. So I'm here for this. Are you seeing?